Hey everybody, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks, and today I'm going to do a quick brief walkthrough on this brand new Harris 250 Solstice DC. So come on and take a look. So we'll start here at the back of the boat, and you can see it's equipped with a brand new 350 Verado Mercury. We have a charging port here, and we have our radio controls there, so when you're in the water you can easily use and change the stereo. We do have the ski tower here. We'll make our way on board. Look at this beautiful new interior color from Harris this year. This is the center walkthrough. Lots of seating. Great detail here. Pillow top. We have dual captain's chairs. One of the great features too is you have multiple stereo controls all over the boat, but now your passenger can control while you're riding down the lake. This boat is so new, we just took it out of shrink wrap. We don't even have the bimini attached yet, so it will have a bimini just like that one. We do have the full glass windshield. You're going to have a pocket door there to block the wind. You make your way forward, lots of room, nice armrests that you can use. We've got the cup holder here where you can move around. One of the great features about Harris 2 are the way that the seats flip up. I just did that one-handed. Lots of room here. Of course, you can see we have a ski locker and the woven vinyl flooring as well. Guys, this is Chandler Daggett again, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. To set up a time to come see this or demo the boat, give us a call at 573-365-5382. Or you can always check us out online at www.marinemax.com.